It's not often we get to do this, so every once in a while, while we're getting them all suited up and everything. His instructor out there, Kathy. Here we go, look at this. United States Military Academy at West Point parachute team, thank you so much for, pardon the pun, dropping in on us. We do appreciate you showing up and being here. In the meantime, we should be getting ready to delay the show several minutes while we get this pilot up to take our buddy for a flight at a very inopportune time. These things happen. All right, well, they're getting him suited up. Oh, he's got the parachute on. That's good. Parachute is on. He's climbing into the airplane. Be careful. It's a delicate, fragile airplane. I know the guy that owns it. He doesn't loan it out lightly. And Kathy is down there with him. She's the pilot. She's going to take him up and show him a quick flight. We're going to go once around the patch, as they call it. That is a takeoff, a downwind leg, and a landing. And then we're going to get the show going. How about a big round of applause once again? The United States Military Academy, thank you so much. You all be careful up there now, you hear? All right, looks like we're just about getting ready to go with our detour ride here. All right, this is the fun part. It's a tiny airplane. It's a two-seater. So, you know, anybody that's in there with you, you better be good friends with, or you will be good friends with. And I'm sure in just a moment we will get the engine started and get this airplane up and down, and we will be able to go from there. In the meantime, how about a little music to fly by? I know I always like to do. It helps pass the time of day. Helps me get into a better mood. And in honor of the fact this guy is a Jimmy Buffett fan, I think we got the engine running. Come on, let's start with a little Jimmy Buffett. Let's all go to Margaritaville because it's got to be cooler there. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Sing along if you feel the need. All right, we're going to take our buddy up here, Jimmy Buffett fan. We're going to give him a flight.
Drumming my section on my front porch. Been a little trip there,
all right, final checks are underway in the aircraft. Make sure that the engine is running properly. Nobody likes to fly with a bum engine, trust me. All right, we're going to take off now. Kathy's going to take the airplane out. She's going to line it up on the runway, point the nose into the wind, and away we're going to go. Tell you what, as hot as it is, it's definitely going to affect the performance of this airplane, being a light single-engine airplane. You know, we're not supposed to be doing donuts out there. Kathy, we have a problem. All right, here we go.
but it's a real beauty. How Mexican beauty.
All right, Kathy's out of the airplane. She's going to take a look. I'm guessing it's the tail wheel. They're kind of cranky and cantankerous there. Tail wheels being what they are. They take a lot of abuse. No! No! Kathy, what happened? Oh, no! No, 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 no! Oh, good grief! Uh-oh. We found the throttle and the radio at the same time. Oh, no! Easy does it there, buddy. Easy, baby. Well, for one thing, pull back. what we had planned. You might want to push over just a little bit, try to get the nose level.
I don't know how to do that.
Well, push forward on the stick and then push it to the right, gently. All right, this is good. You're coming back around. Pull up and level those wings off a little bit. Stick to the left. Stick to the left. I'm sorry. Stick to the right. No, the other left. Good grief.
I don't like that.
Yeah, well, we're having a blast down here. All right, you're looking good. You might want to pull up just a little bit. I said a little bit. Oh, boy. Doing things with this airplane it was never designed to do. Kathy, you and I got to have a conversation. All right, keep bringing it around. Pull back a little bit. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this part of the air show. Thank you so much. I just get the feeling it was never meant to be that this gentleman was going to be up my way. Uh-oh, look! He's back!
I don't feel so good.
Yeah, neither do we. All right, you got to go easier on that stick. A little more gently, please.
I think I understand that.
Well, there you go. You're doing pretty good right there. Just keep doing that. Just keep doing that. All right, level your wings up a little bit. Pull back just a tiny little bit on the stick. That's the stick. You know that's that thing that sticks up from the floor? No, don't buzz the truck. And stay away from the trees. No! Get those wings level. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Oh, there he goes. Off into this. Oh, I'm not a pilot. Jeez. Listen, work with me here. We'll get this done. You're doing good so far. Just level the wings. The idea is straight and level right now.
I gotta admit, it's a little hard to see out of the windshield now.
Well, if you pull your hat up, you'd be able to see.
That's not it.
If you were to push the nose over just a little bit, that was a little too much.
I didn't like that. Hey, wait a minute. I think I found the autopilot.
Now you found the smoke system, or you're on fire.
Gee, now I'm on fire? This is the worst day ever.
Well, don't worry, it'll be all over in a minute or two.
Not very comforting.
All right, now you're going. No, don't do the aerobatics. You're not supposed to do that. Unbelievable. There he goes. He's going to go up onto the vertical, coming over the top. Oh, look at this. Who do you think you are, Bob Hoover? Oh. Inside, outside, Cuban 8. Good grief. And now he's going to snap it. Will you take it easy on that airplane, please? It's a rental.
You know everybody beats up a rebel.
All right, let me clarify. That's my rental.
I know you
You know, he would too. Going up onto the vertical now, keep an eye on it. I know he's going to do something silly. Oh, and he's going to do it the hard way too. We're going to be talking about that later. Those are negative G's right there. He's hanging by the belts. What, are you flying in Australia or something? Turn that airplane right side up. That's better. Great googly moogly. All right, I wonder what he's going to try to fool us with this time. One thing for sure, the airplane looks really good against these pretty blue skies today. Snap roll on the top. He did an avalanche. This guy's never flown before. And he's doing avalanches? Come on, is aerobatics that easy? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Well, I still want the rocket fuel. There's no doubt about that. Well, anyway, there he is. And he obviously knows what he's doing, because nobody as a novice pilot manages to do what he's doing here today. The idea is to maintain your altitude, your heading, and your airspeed while staying away from the trees all at the same time. The tricky part of the trees. Parts of this airplane are made of wood, most notably the wing. So the trees call to the airplane. They softly whisper, "Come home, come home." I hope you got your recording devices rolling. This airplane is very easy to photograph the video because it is just so, I'm not going to say slow, I'm going to say stately. There are no such things as slow airplanes. They're either really, really fast or they're stately. All right, coming around from the right. Looks like he's got... Looks like he's got the runway in... He's got the runway in sight. He's going to try to land it now. Good luck with that. And I knew I should have bought the extra deductible. Here he comes. Squeakity squeak. Come on, get that one wheel. He's got one wheel down. He's trying to save wear on the other tire. It usually doesn't work that way. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the antics of Erik Edgren and his airplane T-Clips. Lemonade and Gatorade. Guaranteed to quench your thirst on a hot day. Here we go. Let's do the donuts. Every aerobatic pilot I know of does this. Likes to dust the crowd. Oh yeah, he got us all right. Thanks, Eric. I love that. All right, as you can see, that's a darn pretty airplane. Here we go. Here's an airplane heading up. It's a very popular aircraft for business executives, mostly short-range stuff. Very easy to fly, and they can carry a lot. All right, well, we're waiting for an arrival here. I believe that Spirit Airlines will be coming in. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I got to tell you.